Let's do a problem from your lab assignment, section 7.8. This is problem number 5. Determine whether the integral is convergent or divergent. If it converges, evaluate it. And the integral goes from minus infinity to positive 1, e to the negative 41t dt. Alright, so to evaluate this, we're going to put a place value here, a finite place value for the integral. So we're going to integrate from b to negative 1 of this expression, e to the negative 41t dt. And then we'll let b go off to negative infinity. So we could do this with a substitution, just negative 41t. And then the antiderivative is just going to be negative, or the derivative of negative 41t is just going to be negative 41. So that would be a constant that we can take out. We want to replace dt with something with a du, so that's a du divided by negative 41. So we have 1 divided by minus 41 as our constant, and then this is just e to the u. Well, e to the u is just e to the u, so we have a negative 1 divided by 41 times e to the u. And so what we'll do is we'll put u back in there. So this is negative 1 over 41 e to the u, where u is negative 41t. And then we have to replace this with 1, or negative 1. That's the top limit. So I have negative 1 divided by 41 e to the negative, negative 41 times negative 1 is positive 41, so that's a positive 41. And then we have a minus that whole expression, except instead of a t, you put b, the lower limit. And so now, if we put b going to negative infinity, this is just going to be a constant. But what happens when negative infinity goes in here? So you have negative 41 times negative infinity, that's going to be positive 41 times infinity, or positive infinity. So e to the positive infinity just shoots up, and this is going to go off to infinity with a negative and a negative, so that's going to go to positive infinity. And so it looks like we do not have a finite value for this, so this must diverge, and then that means it diverges. So not all integrals converge. Some of them diverge, like this problem over here. So let's be aware of the limitations for our improper integrals. Okay, I hope that helps.